Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, plug a FAT32 USB into your computer and open your image. Crop to a square and resize to between 256 and 1024 pixels so it won't be stretched. This preserves clarity. Once done, export a copy as JPEG or BMP and keep the file under 2 MB so the console accepts it. Make sure the USB has a simple root folder named Pictures, then place your image file there. Don't skip exporting a duplicate with a clear name for easy find. You now move to the console. Insert the USB into the Xbox 360 and sign into your profile. Navigate to Settings, then Profile or Personalize, and choose to set a picture from external storage. Browse to the Pictures folder and select your file. Once selected, use the on-screen crop and position controls to fine-tune framing so faces and logos center correctly. After you confirm, the console will save it as your Gamurpic. Make sure to wait for the confirmation message before removing the USB. You finish by syncing. Sign into Xbox Live and allow the profile to upload so your new Gamurpic appears across services. If the picture fails to change, restart the console and clear the system cache, then retry the exact transfer steps. If you still hit errors, reformat the USB to FAT32 on your PC and reconvert the image to BMP or a smaller JPEG. Compatibility and file size are the usual culprits. One key tip: always test with a simple small JPEG to.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.